Welcome. Today we're looking at the Ampere PMU Profiler, or APP, an open-source Python-based utility built specifically to unlock hardware-level performance insights on Ampere Cloud processors. Our goal? Helping you learn how to code with the grain of the microarchitecture to squeeze out every drop of performance.
Standard software profilers are great at telling us where an application spends its time, like flagging a heavy function. But they are completely blind to the hardware why. When code runs slowly, it's often due to hidden execution bottlenecks deep inside the processor pipeline that software telemetry just can't see. That is where the PMU, or Performance Monitoring Unit, comes in. It's a specialized piece of hardware built directly into Ampere CPUs. It acts like a real-time dashboard, quietly counting hardware events like instruction fetches, data cache misses, or branch mispredictions as your application executes. Instead of forcing you to manually decipher raw, obscure hardware numbers, APP automates the math using a top-down analysis. It automatically categorizes processor cycles into clear, actionable buckets, instantly showing you whether your software is stalled waiting on memory, bottlenecked by core execution constraints, or wasting cycles on bad code paths. Because APP is optimized specifically for Ampere hardware, it can easily diagnose advanced multi-threaded friction like false sharing and cache line bouncing. It tracks deep coherence metrics, exposing write-driven invalidations that hurt multi-threaded software scale. Catching these hidden bottlenecks frequently leads to immediate 2.5x speedups in core efficiency. You don't need a PhD in electrical engineering to use it. App operates via a clean command line interface. With a single command, it samples the hardware counters in the background and processes the data into intuitive telemetry graphs, HTML summaries, and automated CSV reports that fit smoothly into any developer's workflow. Ultimately, the Ampere PMU Profiler turns guesswork into rigorous engineering discipline. It is fully open source, written cleanly in Python, and ready to deploy on your Linux cloud instances today. Stop wondering why your application hit a performance ceiling. Go grab APP on GitHub and start coding with the grain of the hardware. Thank you.